to the Miramar Air Show. Welcome to Astig.
Hey.
What are we playing? Hi guys, welcome to Astig. We're at the Miramar Air Show.
Hintayon.
Hintayon. This is Homeland Security. My date for Jan is 2024. Oh dude, there's a pull-up challenge there.
I can do the bench press over there.
Bench press?
We'll be fine.
Be
Let me just take out my watch real quick.
Let me.
Alright.
You want me to call the medics already? 1, 2, 3, up. One. Push. 1. Scope. 2. Scope. 3. Easy. Easy. 1. 2 more. 1 more.
Woo! Good job!
That was a good hustle.
Now
Nice.
he can sign up for Navy.
Now, yep.
Huh?
Go ahead. Go ahead and sign right here.
Alright.
No.
That was awesome, man. That was good.
Nice.
How old are you?
19.
19? What do you do? You go to school?
Yeah, I go to Astig.
Oh, nice. Good for you. Are you trying to join anything?
I mean,
Yeah.
This is what you got for doing the
bench press.
bench press?
Bench press,
How many
yeah.
bench press did you do?
155 pounds.
And how many? Like 8?
reps?
8 reps?
8 reps or something.
Yes, and then you got a Warrior Challenge sticker, and they give us a water bottle. And this one over here. Alright, good job, E. You signing up?
Hopefully.
Let's stop.
Today.
This is a huge, whatchamacallit. I don't know what you call it, but ang daming demo right here. Ito yung Osprey. And this is something else.
Astig.
Welcome to the air show.
Astig, the way we are showing you around.
Around the what?
Hey, look at that one. United States.
Hi, bakit may pila? They wanna go inside. You can go inside. Dude, may raiders dyan, no? Dito tayo. Dito tayo sa mga panglaban. Sa mga panglaban, mga kaibigan. Right here. Oh, that one's cute. Look at that. Cool.
Nakita mo may mga tangke rin siya na may mga meat.
That one's cute. Look at that. This is Captain Snyder's slick right. Ano meron dyan eh?
There's like a real estate movie.
Baka doon. Challenging? Kayang-kaya mo eh?
Yeah, kaya nga.
That's heavy.
Astig. Tingnan na yung Astig. Bigyan natin na.
30 pounds.
One,
Good. 4,
two, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Come on now.
7,
Yep.
8, 9, 10,
10,
alright.
11.
11, 12, that's it. Alright.
10 more, you get a pen.
No.
13. Yep.
14, alright, good
Come
job.
on. 15. Yep. You got another
Okay.
16. I want 16. Let's go. Yep.
Ah, good job. Woo. Alright.
Who's next?
Hey, so you got 30. Come on.
Hey, be careful. Oh, that's enough. Okay. 2, Hey you guys, magpo-parod kami. This is the parod.
Ano yung porod?
It's called paroding. Uwi na kami, you guys. Tapos na yung air show.
Oh,
Actually, we left early kasi to beat the traffic. Kasi nga, ano, and then we are going in the shortcut area-ish. See? It's called the parod.
Astig. I hope you enjoy the show. See ya.
See ya, bye. Nakapagod ang layo ng nilakad namin. Mga ano, 1 mile. It's cool.
Mga
it's
3
cool.
miles yan.
3 miles down, 3 miles.
Like 3 miles.
Then now, see how nice the grass is. It's actually a golf course. Doon tayo sa may golf course thingy majigger. Ay. It's already, what time is it? It's 4:45 p.m. We're going home. We're going home. Okay, you guys. Bye. Ay, wala. Hold on. Bye.
Bye everyone.
Say bye, kuya.
Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Bye. Sige nga, Rod. Bye.